Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Wahid. Welcome to the fastest unboxing video brought to you by Mobiles Production. Check out my bling. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Excuse me, is this how you do an unboxing in Nigeria?
Yes.
Oh, where'd it go? Is this gold enough for you?
You bet.
Yeah. This is a pair of 8GB 3600 MHz RAM rated at CL16. Pretty cool specs. We're gonna use this to check out and test out the brand new 3rd generation Ryzen processors, as well as the Radeon RX 5700 XT and the Radeon RX 5700. I don't want to send this back, so later make this disappear and then get out of the country so that they cannot find you, and then come back in and bring this back. Yeah, you can keep one, I'll take one. Fair? Fair deal, high five. Okay, cool. Yeah. Black people don't high five. They bump fists only. Know that, don't be racist. One more thing. Wahanda forever. I'm not being racist. His name is Wahid. That's why Wahanda forever. You guys probably called him T'Challa just now. He said T'Challa is not even a Nigerian name. You racist. That's why you need to like, subscribe, share this video so that you're less racist. And we'll see you in the next one. I'm running out of breath because I'm a bit hungry. Didn't have lunch.